What's up, guys? Mickle here, and one of the most fascinating things in the entire cryptocurrency industry, without a doubt, is XRP's volatility. But despite this, a lot of people who hold XRP and who are in the XRP community have a really hard time understanding XRP's volatility and end up hyper-focusing on noise on the price chart that simply doesn't matter. Guys, in this video, I want to break down some very critical concepts for you to understand in regards to XRP's price appreciation. Guys, I think a lot of people are kind of losing the narrative, getting lost in small price movements that don't really matter. I want to show you exactly why this is something you do not want to get caught up on. It is really, really important to seeing the long-term perspective for XRP. Guys, towards the end of the video, though, I also want to talk about a massive catalyst and why I believe this catalyst will be the thing to send XRP flying. We're actually going to take a look at an example of another asset in history that was in a very similar position to XRP. Guys, make sure to stick around for that. I think you're really going to like it. Like always, your support means so much to this channel. Thank you to everyone who likes the videos and to subscribe to the channel. These things really do help me out so much. Also, if you ever need a place to buy some XRP, make sure to check out my favorite exchange, Uphold, down in the description of this video. With that said, though, let's jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. So guys, as I said in the intro, I see a lot of people in the XRP community, what I believe to be really getting lost in the XRP price chart. People hyper-focusing on things that don't matter and looking at these small movements in price and trying to analyze what the significance of those movements are. Now, guys, I want to make it real clear for you that I really don't think a lot of this hyper-focusing on the range XRP is stuck in makes any sense. I see so many people say, like this tweet from Bill Morgan, so many indicators for a dramatic XRP price rise, but we can't stay above 65 cents. Now, guys, I want to make it clear to you, I don't think it really matters whether XRP is trading at 50 cents, 65 cents, 62 cents, 73 cents, 32 cents. And why don't I think those prices matter? Well, guys, I want you to take a look at the XRP price chart with me and just see if you can wrap your head around this concept. Back in 2016, XRP was trading for an average about half a penny. Now, in that time period, XRP was going through similar noise as we go through today. XRP was going up to about a penny, below a penny. It was going down to a third of a penny. Guys, it was all over the place. It was trading up and down hundreds of percent. And at the time, it looked like these price movements were significant. It looks like, oh, XRP is going down, things must be bad. XRP is going up, things must be bad. But then 2018 came around, and what happened in 2018 was a level of volatility the XRP price chart has never seen before, pumping it over 10,000%. When this happened, all the volatility that happened prior was completely useless. It was completely trivial. It didn't matter anymore, because it didn't matter if you were buying XRP 100% over half a penny or 80% below half a penny. At the end of the day, if XRP was trading at $3, you were still in massive amounts of profits. And I think people are making this same mistake today. People are hyper-focusing on whether or not XRP is 50 cents, 65 cents, 32 cents, when it really doesn't matter in the long run. What we are expecting for XRP, what I believe most of us are expecting for XRP, is a massive moment of volatility, something that's going to send the XRP price chart flying. So does it really matter where XRP trades before that? Personally, I don't think so at all. I think hyper-focusing on the exact number XRP is today is really just a way to help you lose sight of the bigger picture, which is an exponential increase that makes all the prices that people are examining so closely almost completely insignificant. Now, guys, I want to share with you a couple of price charts that make it so clear to me that that big moment of volatility is coming for XRP, and the first one being these Bollinger Bands. Guys, historically, these have been a great indicator to show that XRP is away from a massive move. Take a look at the last time these Bollinger Bands squeezed XRP in 2017. We had XRP go on a 52,000% rally. And take a look at the next time these Bollinger Bands squeezed XRP. We saw XRP go on a 1,500% rally. Now, guys, what we're seeing right now is the Bollinger Bands are squeezing XRP again. The Bollinger Bands have only squeezed XRP twice before in its history, and both times led to massive exponential pumps. Guys, to me, this lets us know we are right around the corner from another exponential pump in XRP as these Bollinger Bands squeeze the asset. Now, guys, these do not tell us whether XRP is going to go up or down. So we have to analyze further to figure out what direction we think the price is going to go. But what we know is we are right around the corner from a huge moment of volatility, and therefore it's it seems kind of funny to me to be hyper focusing on the exact price of the asset right before we're about to get a move that is going to render all these prior prices almost insignificant. Now, guys, another chart that I think is very important to be paying attention to that just further confirms we are likely to see a move of volatility to the upside is the XRP price chart against Bitcoin. What we can see is right now we are at a bottom on the XRP against Bitcoin price chart. This is something that has only happened 3 other times before in the entire history of this asset class, and every single time led to an exponential move of XRP against Bitcoin, pumping thousands of % against Bitcoin. Now, right now, the XRP to Bitcoin price chart is falling in this same exact zone, telling us that if history is correct, if these charts are correct, if statistics are on our side, XRP is likely to make a massive move against Bitcoin in the next coming weeks. Now, guys, the other thing we also need to be paying attention to is the fact that what is going to cause that move, right? What is going to be that thing to make this happen? Because we likely are going to need a catalyst to really get XRP ripping. And guys, I believe that thing is no other than the end of the Ripple SEC case. I have shown this to you countless times on this channel, but it is no coincidence to me that XRP is trading within this massive consolidation period throughout the entire time the Ripple SEC case has gone on. It's also no coincidence to me that the case just happens to end at the very end of this massive consolidation pattern. Guys, I don't think it's too crazy to think that XRP is going to trade within this zone. Judge Torres is going to make her ruling, and we are going to see XRP absolutely rip face, as it is the first digital currency in the United States with certain clarity from the courts on its legal status. Not only that, though, but XRP, as we always talk about, has been making dramatic strides in terms of its overall adoption. So we see a massive fundamental catalyst around the corner for XRP. We also see that there are countless charts pointing to the fact that we're likely right around the corner from a huge moment of volatility. When the fundamentals are telling us that XRP is ready to go up, when the volatility around the corner looks like it's about to spike, that lets me know that this massive move in volatility is going to push XRP's price to the upside. Now, guys, when you factor all of this in and take a look at the XRP price chart from a zoomed out view, I just want to make it clear to you, I think it's kind of silly to be hyper focusing on whether or not XRP is 30 cents or 65 cents. Let me take a candle, right, and put it next to the pump we had in 2017. And let me compare that pump to what we would see if XRP made that same move today. If XRP made the same size move, which is not guaranteed in the slightest, I just want to make this clear to you, as it did in 2017 today, it would put XRP at around $250. Guys, if XRP was trading at $250, don't you think it would be a little silly to be complaining day after day about whether or not XRP was 65 cents or 50 cents or 35 cents or 22 cents? All of these prices would be completely insignificant to XRP trading at these much higher prices after its big moment of volatility. So I want to make this extremely clear. It is so important to understand that XRP's price history is one of massive volatile moves to the upside, followed by long periods of consolidation. Hyper focusing on the price during consolidation doesn't make a lot of sense because everything is indicating to us that the move of volatility will take us so far away from the previous prices, they won't actually matter. And I want to finish this video off and just show you one more piece of news that I think is really important to understand. And that is another example in which essentially an asset was held back by regulators. Guys, for those of you who don't know, Tesla was actually in a lawsuit against the SEC back in 2018, and the lawsuit almost killed the company. Essentially, the lawsuit was a big load of BS, like we've seen with the SEC. That's what they like to do. But the issue is all of Tesla's creditors, all the people who were giving Tesla money, essentially said, hey, if you don't settle this case with the SEC, we can't give you money anymore. We can't work with you. All of these different banks and lending institutions were saying, hey, look, we know this case is BS, but they were saying, our board of directors, our presidents, our high up people in our company will not let us give you money if you're in this case against the SEC. And why not? Well, it's the simple fact that these organizations are publicly traded companies and they don't want to deal with the SEC. They want to stay as far away from the SEC as possible because they understand how damaging the SEC can be. Guys, I really do believe the big institutions in the United States are terrified to touch XRP and terrified to touch Ripple so long as this case is going on. But as soon as this case is over, that is going to shift in a dramatic way. What the SEC really did was provide an official audit of Ripple, the company, and XRP, the digital asset. They proved to the market that there's nothing bad going on here. They proved to the market that XRP is not a security. They proved to the market that Ripple is a legitimate company landing real business contracts to use XRP for its full intended use case. Guys, this Ripple SEC case has only been a validation for Ripple and XRP. And the big institutions are going to understand this, but it still doesn't mean they're going to touch XRP or step into this asset in a big way until the case is over. They need to be ultra conservative. These big institutions don't want to get on the SEC's bad side, but the good news is what we saw with Tesla is the second the case resolved, we saw institutions once again willing to step into Tesla's business, willing to invest money into the stock, willing to start building out partnerships with the company, and Tesla has flourished since then. Guys, I really do believe Ripple and XRP are in a very similar position. I believe this case being over is going to be the catalyst we need for institutions to step in a big way and let the price go flying. Guys, try not to hyper focus on whether XRP is trading 2 cents higher or 2 cents lower than it was yesterday, because at the end of the day, I think the volatility is going to wash out all of this short-term minded thinking. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does mean so much. And for now, Mickle out.